Hello everyone and welcome to Decent Channel. Decent Machinery team recently visited South Korea for in-depth cooperation talks with a top-tier new energy client.
So could you introduce your company first, Mr. Joy?
Our company is the Flaw Corporation. Flaw is specialized for the company to produce the green methanol with biomass thermal gasification and methanol synthesis. And then we have the first project in Korea that the project will be groundbreaking maybe this June or July.
As a well-known industry expert featured on SBS Business, the client regularly attends Hyundai Group summits and teams up with Sino-Korean PhD researchers on methanol new energy R&D, backed by large-scale Korean methanol new energy projects worth hundreds of millions. The client highly approved our customized dust removal solutions for methanol production after on-site inspections.
So how about your impression of this machinery?
I'm very impressed because of your company. That your company is very high quality dust collector produced, and then also that we need the kinds of some high quality equipment, and also that the qualification process is also I'm satisfied.
South Korea enforces strict procurement standards for industrial machinery, full third-party manufacturing supervision, plus official BV and SGS certification are mandatory prerequisites for orders. This is exactly our core competitiveness. We cooperate with authorized domestic certification bodies to conduct full-range international standard inspections, precise laser welding by seasoned technicians, X-ray flaw detection and ultrasonic non-destructive testing for pressure vessels. Our past Singapore export projects have completed full BV certification, ensuring every weld and unit meets global high-end specifications. With solid production and quality control capabilities, we keep advancing our Korean new energy dust removal partnership. Decent Machinery delivers precision manufacturing to power global new energy development.